Hi everyone, I'm Sabi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reveal the missing data labels on the view. If you create a view and you add the data labels to the view, you may not see all the values. I'll show you a simple example. I add country to the rows, year months as well. I add sales current year as columns, and I add sales current year as a label. You can see that some labels are on the view, but some of them, for example the first one and the third one, are still missing. How can you show all the labels? The only thing you need to do is to click on the label symbol and you can adjust the font size or the font type. The current font is Tableau book and the size is 9. If I adjust the size, I give I type 6 instead of 9, then I can see all the data labels. What happens if I give a bigger font size? I click on the label again, and instead of 6, I type 7. You can see that not all the data labels are visible, but if I change the font type and I put Arial instead of Tableau book, then magically all the data labels are visible at font size 7. However, with Tableau book, you cannot see all the data labels with font size 7. So the important thing is that you can play around with the font type and the font size as well to, to make the data labels visible. I prepared the short summary on this dashboard. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Bye bye.